Hi everyone, Chica here with Cert Dojo, and in today's video I'm going to share some information with you on how to best navigate your journey on which certifications to take. So what we're looking at here is called the CompTIA IT Certification Roadmap. This essentially is a guide to help you figure out, what your end goal is and how to backtrack to figure out where you need to start. So everything is color coded. So cybersecurity is blue, infrastructure and cloud stuff is purple, software development is yellow, and so on. So let's go ahead and follow the cybersecurity line and see what that means. So if we go all the way left, you'll see where it organizes everything into categories, so beginner, intermediate, advanced, and so on. If we're following the blue line, then it's saying if you are a beginner or a novice, then they recommend that you take either A+, ITF, or Project Plus. So there's no prerequisite for A+ or ITF, so you technically could take either one, or you could take both depending on what you need to get to. So your end goal to get to the expert level, if that's what you're aiming for, you could want to get something like CASP+. So if you want to get up to here, then probably are taking something like A+, Network Plus, Security Plus, maybe you're doing server type work, and then you'll work your way up to the expert level. So they're not saying that you need to take every single certification before you get to your goal, but generally speaking, this is what you're kind of aiming for. What I also want to add is that CompTIA is not the only exam vendor, right? There's CompTIA, Adobe, Amazon, Microsoft, Cisco, and so on. So there really is no one way of getting to your destination. For example, again, in the cybersecurity pathway, there is no prerequisite for IT fundamentals, A+, or even Network Plus or Security Plus. So you could, if you wanted to take Network Plus first, for example, you could go ahead and do that. Or if you wanted to jump directly into Security Plus. The certification that you actually take would be based on your experience level. You can get a copy of this roadmap by going here or via following us on our channel.